Hello, guys. I'm Rishabh, and I'm very glad to share my first milestone in my journey of web development. I have learned how to build responsive websites using HTML and CSS. The concept which I implemented in making responsive website design is called as media queries. And we had been given an assignment by Masai School, which was to clone their page itself, clone their investors page, and make it such that it is responsive on any device. So this is the original website which you can see on the screen, and we had to clone this website. So if I show you the website's responsiveness, um, you can check it out. Like when I reduce the screen size, when I'm increasing the screen size, the content is getting aligned in a different way. If I scroll down and you can see those cards, so when I reduce the screen size, you can see that the card number of cards which are shown are getting reduced. So our goal was to achieve the similar kind of a design, and uh, yeah, so we had to use media queries and grid to achieve the similar kind of style. So this is my website which I made, and I built this layout entirely from scratch by using HTML and CSS. So when I show my responsiveness, when I reduce the screen size, you can see that when my screen size is getting reduced, the content is getting aligned in a different way, and it is showing as we have seen on Masai's website. So if I reduce the screen size, the content is getting aligned differently, and there is some sort of responsiveness. Uh, yeah. So I built this website using media queries and HTML and CSS. So that's all for this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, then do like the tweet, and thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, guys.